understand the meaning of investment and how it is different from speculation and gambling. Analyze why people make investment and the objective of investment. Evaluate the process of investment. Explain the concept of investment information and its sources. Understand different investment avenues. PowerPoint presentation. Additional resources. Understand the capital market and now issue market. Explain the mode of issuing securities. Analyze the concept and function of stock exchanges in India. Evaluate the trading and settlement practices. Understand the concept of depository system. Understand the concept of stock indices. Explain the index computation methodology. Evaluate the type of indices and difference between these indices. Analyze about different indices of BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE, that is New York Stock Exchange. Evaluate the concept of capital market regulation, and SEBI, that is Security Exchange and Board of India. PowerPoint presentation. So you should all know these points, these topics if you are doing finance, if you are doing certification in finance or doing MBA in finance. Understand the concept of and measurement of returns. Explain the concept of probability and expected returns. Apply the concept of optimum portfolio, its expected return and variance of such returns. Evaluate the fundamentals of asset allocation. Explain the concept of diversification of portfolio risk. Understand two asset portfolio risk and return. Then analyze the risk as systematic and non-systematic risk. Understand capital market line risky and risk-free asset. Evaluate the concept of Sharpe portfolio. Understand the concept of beta. Then explain the concept of fundamental analysis, economic analysis. Understand the concept of business cycles and economic indicators. Evaluate the notion of industry analysis. Explain the concept of company analysis. Then analysis the notion of financial analysis. Then explain the concept of technical analysis. Understand Dow theory. Evaluate the concept of different technical charts. Analyze different technical indicators, support and resistance. Understand different trends and difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Then understand the concept of efficient market hypothesis. Analyze the concept of random walk theory. Explain semi-strong form of EMH. Analyze strong form of EMH. Evaluate the implication of EMH. Then PowerPoint presentation. Then explain the approaches to portfolio construction. Analyze the concept of portfolio creation. Understand the concept of portfolio risk management. Analyze the concept of beta in portfolio selection. Evaluate the uncertainty of real return and purchasing power risk. Explain the meaning of simple diversification. Understand the concept of Mark-White model and analyze the concept of leveraging of portfolio. Understand the genesis of single factor model. Explain about single index model. Evaluate the concept of portfolio creation in single index model. Understand the concept of capital asset pricing model. Explain the assumption and extension of CAPM. Analyze about the risk premium of market portfolio. Then understand the concept of security market line. Evaluate the concept of arbitrage pricing theory. Then explain basic concept of managed portfolio, mutual fund and its performance evolution. Analyze different performance evolution model, Sharpe's indexes, Trey-Noss index and Janus index. Understand the concept of portfolio revision and formula plan. Analyze the concept of rupee cost averaging. Evaluate the concept of constant ratio plan and variable ratio plan. Then what are derivatives and what are the main use of derivative? What are forward, future, options and swaps? What are risk and how do they affect business? What are commodity price risk, interest rate risk and currency risk? Why it is important to manage risk? What is meant by hedging? What are the approaches to risk management? Then which of the exchanges in India trade in derivative product? What are the various types of orders used in derivative exchanges? What is the trading mechanism in derivative exchanges? What is an OTC derivatives market? How are derivatives traded on it? What contracts are available in India exchange? And then what are forward contracts? How are forward contracts used? How are commodity forward contracts priced? What are currency forward contracts? What are the use of currency forward contracts? How are currency forward contract price? What is forward rate agreement? What are the uses of forward rate agreement? What is future contract? What are the difference between a future contract and a forward contract? What is the role of clearing corporation in future exchanges? What is meant by margin and margin to market in future markets? How to understand future market? How can one arbitrage between future markets and spot markets? How are future contracts traded?